Try closing your eyes and imagine you're standing in the middle of a crossroads. Listen to your left. Listen to your left. You hear the roaring sound of motorbikes zipping by, the distant rumble of car engines, the blare of horns, all creating a familiar urban symphony. Then listen to your right. Oh, a strangely silent cityscape. This is the reality millions are experiencing with the arrival of electric vehicles. We love electric vehicles for their astonishing quietness. No smoke, no roaring engines. An EV glides past you smoothly, almost acoustically invisible. Wonderful for the environment and driver comfort, right? But there's also a lot of talk about the safety implications of that silence. Think about a visually impaired person who relies entirely on their hearing to perceive the world around them, or a child engrossed in play, unaware of a car backing up in the apartment complex yard. An alarming study from the UK has shown that hybrid and electric vehicles are 2 to 3 times more likely to cause accidents involving pedestrians compared to gasoline diesel cars, especially at low speeds and in crowded urban areas. The whisper of an electric vehicle suddenly becomes an invisible threat. Recognizing the safety risks posed by silent electric cars, many countries and regions around the world have taken action. Since 2019, the European Union has led the way, issuing a mandatory regulation. All new electric and hybrid vehicles must be equipped with an Acoustic Vehicle Alert System, or AVAS. According to EU regulations, electric vehicles must emit a sound when moving forwards or backwards at speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour, or 12.4 miles per hour. The minimum sound level is set at 56 decibels. Other countries like the US and Japan have also adopted similar regulations. Even the VinFast cars you see on the road are already equipped with this technology. These regulations all aim to create a sound sufficient for pedestrians, cyclists, and the visually impaired to detect the presence of electric vehicles from a safe distance. Although specific speed and volume levels may vary slightly between regions, the core principle remains to ensure a balance between the benefits of noise reduction and the requirements for traffic safety. When the issue of artificial noise installation for electric vehicles arose, car designers suddenly became creative sound artists. Car manufacturers didn't just simply install a speaker and play a beep-beep sound. They transformed this challenge into a golden opportunity to shape brand identity and elevate the experience. Imagine a group of sound designers in a laboratory, experimenting with hundreds of different sounds: a hum like a spaceship, a deep undulating drone with a futuristic vibe, or even a specially composed electronic symphony. BMW has partnered with the renowned composer Hans Zimmer to create a distinctive voice for their electric vehicles. Yamaha, on the other hand, is researching how sound can accurately reflect each throttle input, providing a sense of connection and excitement for the rider. The goal is not just safety, but also to create a unique acoustic signature, helping the vehicle not only be seen, but also be heard and remembered. But merely having an audible sound isn't enough. A new study from Chalmers University of Technology, Sweden, indicates that pedestrians and cyclists can hear the warning signal from a vehicle, but find it difficult to determine where that sound is coming from. This leads to many dangerous situations in reality, as road users cannot react in time if they don't know where the vehicle is approaching from. So, researchers and EV design teams will continue to have to introduce further sound improvements, ensuring safety while still maintaining a sufficiently quiet environment.
Like and subscribe to Tinyfy for more short and sweet explorations of the world around us. See you in the next video.